building and maintaining windmills, and why they should become a thing of the past. Windmills are extremely expensive. Windmills cost Americans millions of dollars every year. It's not just the maintenance, but the build as well. According to EHOW, windmills, motors, and gears have to be replaced every 5 years, and these cost anywhere from $100,000 to $1 million. Not only do we have to pay to replace the gears and the motors, but we have to pay for the personnel that are there working on the equipment, and we have to pay for the transportation to get the personnel there. And then anything that is wrong with the windmill, we have to pay to replace that as well. Windmills also cost millions of dollars to construct and ship as well. According to Windustry, the average industrial windmill, like what we see out on the windmill farms, will cost $3.5 million just to build it. Not only do we have to build it, but we have to make it in the factory. We have to pay to get it shipped across the country. Who knows where it's coming from? I mean, some of the blades go anywhere from 120 to 150 feet long just for one blade. The windmill itself will stand up to almost 600 feet tall. So to ship this is going to cost an enormous amount of money. And now that you know a little bit more about the cost, I'm going to tell you some of the hazards and deaths that go along with building the windmills and maintaining the windmills. There are grave consequences to windmill production. According to the East County Magazine, there have been over 99 reported deaths that have been reported from windmill operations. There have also been over 121 structure failures. And when I talk about structure failures, I talk about the windmill falling over, blades flying off, windmill fires, everything that has to go along with windmills. I've seen pictures of the complete motor assembly just caught on fire, which causes wildfires, and then it causes the fire department to have to just go out there and then have to wash it. They can't do anything with it because those generators are full of oil, and you can't do anything till that oil's burned out because there's no way to put it out. And now that I've informed you on some of the accidents and fatalities, I'll tell you a little bit about other ways that we can use alternative energy, some other options besides windmills. There are many different solutions. There's a ton of different alternative energy sources out there. The main one right now is hydroelectricity. This is where our dams are. We'll have canals and the water will run down through the turbines and get that spin, and that'll help generate electricity. It's a lot cleaner than windmills. We don't have to look at them. Don't even know that they're a lot safer to work on as well. According to Alternative, solar power is also another form of energy rather than windmills. They're not as much of an eyesore. They just go on top of a building. They're just a big glass plate is what they look like. And they absorb the solar energy from the sun that helps to generate electricity as well. Windmills are a huge eyesore. I mean, they're 600 feet tall, some 300, some feet wide with the windmill part. And when they crash, it's a big boom. There are many different types of alternative energy sources that we can use to help sustain and receive power from heat. And I think that we should probably do away with windmills as much as we can. I mean, they're very dangerous to work on. They're just a hazard altogether. Windmills are very costly and dangerous, but can be done away with by using alternative energy means like hydroelectricity and solar power. I think that we need to stop making windmills to help prevent death and injuries, and then that way we're not wasting all our money as well by working on these windmills and just having all those people out there with the risk of getting hurt, with the risk of fire, with the risk of everything crashing down. And